Hello everybody, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can select a use item on Offerup. Brief overview about Offerup is I want to believe we all know that Offerup is a platform whereby only American have access to the site, but non-American can still have access to the site by using a VPN, and that is what I'm going to demonstrate to you guys on this video. And now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on my VPN. Okay, so I'm going to access the website through Canada East, and I'm going to use Toronto Comfort Zone. So you need to make sure that the VPN is fully turned on before you can go and access the website. All right, so you can see it has been fully turned on, Toronto Comfort Zone. So we can use Toronto Comfort Zone to access the Offerup website. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to close my VPN and we'll look for the Offerup. You can see on the screen here. I'll click on the Offerup. Now it's going to load the website fully. When you enter the site, this is how it's going to look. You're going to see a mixture of new item and old item, and used item. So in this regard, I'm going to show you how you can select used item from the new item so that you'll be able to buy exactly what you are looking for on the site. So all you have to do is to come to the top here. You see where you have a four square at the top. Click on it. Okay, so it's going to open all the categories of items you can buy from the site, either new one or used one. Now, in this regard, I'm interested in, let's say, for instance, we are searching for used laptop. So you have to look for computer and accessory category. So let's see. Let's check on electronic and media. Okay, under electronic and media, we have cell phone and accessory. Then we have computers and accessory. So you click on computers and accessory. Okay. Now, at this point here, you need to define use item from a new item. So how do you do that? You have to, because all this thing here is sort of new and use item. So how do you define new item from use item from new items? You have to come here and click on this icon here. So when you click on it, it's going to open up in a new page like this. Then from here, you can select new or reconditioner certified, open box, never use normal wear for part and others. So in this regard, I need a normal wear. So I need a normal use. So I'm going to select normal use. Now, when you select a normal use, you can decide to you can decide to set price range. You can decide not to set price range. In this regard, I'm not going to set a price range because I'm still going to chat with the seller and to reduce the price of whatsoever item I'm going to buy. But one important thing here is your location. So you need to make sure that your location is very much correct. So let me click on here and show you my location. So my location here is Texas. That is where I'm trying to buy a particular used laptop. So that's it. So when you select use normal, then see listing. So our used laptop is going to load. Then from there, we can select any one of our choice. You can see all the ones here have used laptop. So there is no new one here. So you can scroll down and pick any one of your choice and negotiate with the seller about the price. So there are a lot of used laptop under the Texas. So let me select this one and let's see. Okay, so this one is a $199 Dell Windows 10. So let's scroll down and read the information. So you can see that the location, my location is still in the, because my location is Texas. That is why you see Dallas, Texas. So this seller here. So we can check more picture of the product. You can see the laptop come with charger and it's still very much neat. You see. And see all the USB ports are very much neat. You can see the body is very neat. You see, even come with laptop bag. You can see the bag from the previous picture. So this is how you know use item. You can see the seller has indicated that normal wear, that is normal used item laptop. So now this is how things are going, and this is how you select normal use item from or normal use item from the new item. So you can select as many as possible and search for many products that are your needs. So there are a lot on this site. So let's continue to check. Let's see. So the more you scroll down, more the new page will load. So let me see this set of. So you can see this is $300. Let's check more picture. These are the description. You can see. So $300 Texas. This is the product description. So this is product description. So if you're satisfied with the product, then you talk to the seller and negotiate the price. This price of $300 of 18, you can still negotiate to beat down the price if you're really serious about the product. So this is how you know how to search for normal fairly used item on Offerup. So I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, click like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this about Offerup. If you still have any further question as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can reach me via the phone number on the screen. I will be happy to I will be glad to provide whatsoever things you need from me, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.